There's a verse in the Bible that says nobody can pluck them from my hand. If you're given to Jesus, if you've given yourself to him, he will always snatch you back. So if your faith is lacking today, Jesus's isn't. You see, squatters got to go when they don't own the house. The addictions, the things that are hurting you, killing you, stealing from you. John 10:10, the enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But Jesus brings life. So just because you had a moment of defeat doesn't mean you're defeated. Even if it feels like you've lost, you really haven't. Jesus won the war. If the darkest force in the world, his name is Satan, right, is scared of Jesus, what's our problem? Jesus said two words, man, that really stick to me. Only believe. Are you really ready to surrender?